Hey everyone, Dave Vancouvering here. I want to talk to you about something that's very challenging for a lot of engineers, and that is pair programming. I know a lot of us as engineers, we tend to be introverts. We like to have our time to ourselves, to work on problems by ourselves, to have those late nights where we're just getting stuff done. And the idea of having to be tied to someone else and having to work with them all day sounds exhausting. But at the same time, there's so much value in collaborating with someone else. So there's a solution I found to this that I found very useful, and that is that you do have a partner that you're working with together, but you're not meeting all day. You each have your own project you're working on, but you meet for an hour in the morning and an hour in the afternoon, or maybe just an hour in the morning, but you're constantly sharing your code with each other. Now, the value of this is that when it's time for that code review to happen, the person you're working with has already seen your code, already given you lots of feedback, already understands what's going on behind what this feature is all about. And they're able to just take a look at the code and say, it looks good to me, and actually really mean it instead of just being a way to get away from having to do that review. The problem with the way we do PRs today is that we work on something for 2 days, 3 days, and we hand a PR to someone. They're busy with something else. It's not their priority. And then you have to wait for them to get their feedback. And then as you do get the feedback, then you have to respond, and it's back and forth. It optimizes for people's time, but it doesn't really optimize for flow. So it's much better to just agree to have these synchronous code reviews that are happening basically all the time. And that's basically what pair programming is. You're meeting on a regular basis and walking through your code with someone else. So those are my quick thoughts on pair programming and how you might be able to make it happen in your team without giving up all your free time to just do what you want to do on your own, but still getting the value of constant incremental feedback.